Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic of electronic subject and its name is rectifier. So let's get started. So guys, rectifier is an electronic device that converts AC into DC by using one or more PN junction diode. So now understand what is AC and what is DC. DC means direct current, AC means alternating current. Now see what is AC. So there is a circuit. Current flowing in this is in this direction from left to right. So say for example the current flowing is this in 5 ampere. So let's see, this scale is for time and this scale is for magnitude. So current flowing here is 5 ampere. So you can draw it in here in 5 ampere. So suppose it is reduced to 2 ampere. So you can draw it like here 2 ampere. So it is again 5 ampere. It is this. So the current flowing in this is like this direction. So you can say that it is like this and this. So see here, the direction of current is not changing. It is in direction from left to right. So it is direct current. So guys, this is the direct current in which the direction of current is not changing as the magnitude varies. So what happens in alternating current? So in this, now direction of current is, you can say, is changed, or you can say it has two half cycles. So one first current flowing in this direction, the same as that 5 ampere, 2 ampere, again 5 ampere, yeah 3 ampere. So the current like this is this. So here the direction of current is changed, like the now the current is flowing in from right to left. Now the current is 2 ampere. This 2 ampere. Now the current is going from left to 2, it is crossing 0 to negative half of y to 2 ampere. This is negative half cycle. So again current is flowing in this direction and this direction. So alternating current has fluctuating nature and it has two half cycle, which one is positive and the other is negative. In this direction the current is changing from positive axis to negative axis, which varies in magnitude also. So this is alternating current is negative. A rectifier is a device which conduct only during one half cycle. During one half cycle means a diode, PN-Junction diode, it conduct only during forward bias. What is forward bias? Forward bias means when positive half cycle of battery is connected to the P side and the negative half of the battery is connected to N side. That is said to be forward bias. But a diode conduct only in one direction, which is forward bias direction, but and it is non-conducting in reverse bias direction, which is opposite of forward bias direction, and you can say blocking stage. So a rectifier is a device which conduct only during one half cycle, so it provide only one way path to electric current and convert alternating current into direct current, as this is discussed in this picture. So the conversion of AC into DC can be accomplished by some of the mechanical devices. For example, motor generator set, rotary converters, but electronic rectifiers are considered to be most suitable because of its high efficiency, low cost, simplicity, long life and noiseless operation. And you can say these are the advantages of rectifier. So guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. and you can comment me as what topic do you want me to discuss in next video. See you in the next video. Bye.